Welcome back to Curaçao. Hopefully, at the end of this video, you will remember the messages of persistence and sharing, and not all the things I say about prostitutes. This time, we're visiting the Museu de Orgel, the cylinder piano museum. On the neighboring island of Aruba, the cylinder piano is called a tingilingi box, which I think is fantastic. This is Elfried. He's knowledgeable, friendly, and passionate about the cylinder piano and its history. Uh-oh. I've forgotten most of what Elfried said. I do remember the juicy stuff, though. For example, music in Curaçao was heavily influenced by music from Cuba in the first half of the 20th century because you could listen to Cuban radio. People from Curaçao went to work in Cuba and came back with a love of Cuban music. And Cuban prostitutes brought their favorite music to Curaçao. Also, the cylinder piano was not for everyone. One place you would hear the music of the Kaha òrgel was at parties for the elite, where ladies would wear paper dresses and wait for gentlemen to visit them, upstairs, for a fee. When I asked Elfried what he most wanted people to remember about the museum, he said two things. Number one, never give up. Serapio Pinedo was 8 years old when he realized that he wanted to make his own cylinder pianos, but he faced many obstacles. He was kicked out of school because his parents weren't married in the Catholic Church. He was gifted, and his family was afraid that that would actually destroy his life, so he was sent away. He became a carpenter. Life happened. He got married. There was also a world war. He had to learn music. And so it took 30 years for him to be able to build his first cylinder piano. Number two, share. When Serapio asked for collaboration and help, he got a letter that essentially said, "Screw you, I'm not sharing." And so the second thing that Elfried wants you to remember is to share your knowledge.
Kay òrgel também tá secreto nenhum rende, não tá assim, não é nada. Serapia a soro pasinha rende. Eu com hora que botem roupa rende, não corso e também rouben, que pode trazer kay òrgel e pode música para kay òrgel. Que assim é para kay òrgel não vai perder. Mas uma serapia morreu aqui se não assim outro rende, lo dá tem outro rende kusa.
As a child, I associated the tingilingi box with little old people. But when I saw these gentlemen playing downtown on New Year's Eve, they said that they regularly play at dance parties for people of all ages. And that is a beautiful thing.